Good morning! So today is finally the day of my departure to Korea and I'm very excited. I'm actually the first person in this family who got up really early. I got up at 4 a.m. and prepare myself. So I'm gonna show you today's fashion. I did my hair last night. This is from my hairdo last night. I also did makeup. I wear contact lenses and it's all black. I also wear my boots. This red huge package is for my mom, dad, sister and brother. These two purple and pink packages are for me, but these are half empty. Next is my grandma's, and we have two small carry-on luggage to bring inside the airplane. I'm ready and let's go out! Here is my brother, Warren, and also my sister, Maureen, is also there. We're all feeling very excited! Yoo-hoo! I'm waiting for my parents and here is my sister. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the things that I bring today. Well, this is my bag. I bring a very big bag. So the first thing is my wallet, my charger, my scarf, if I feel cold later. This is a very big pouch from the bag, which is why I like this bag. Hi guys, we are inside the airplane and we are now going to transit to Hong Kong. Bye bye. This is the first meal that we had and I forgot that the camera was rotated. I watched Korean movie because I couldn't sleep at all, and these are the meals. I feel very bored and I watched Sister's variety show. We have arrived in Hong Kong's airport and I played around with my brother, with my very silly brother. We're heading to have our meal in Hong Kong airport and this is our evening meal. We have boarded and finally this is our ticket from Hong Kong to Seoul. We are inside the airplane and we are finally departing to Incheon. I am quite bored, so I'm gonna play with this. Well, we came from Surabaya and then we took our very long flight to Hong Kong and right now we are going to Seoul. Woohoo! Take off time! Our third meal of the day. It was a long flight and the sunset was so pretty. The view of Seoul from above. And we are landing. Incheon Airport. We need to get on the train first to go into the other terminal. We went to the supermarket in the airport, and today is my first time trying banana milk that is very popular. This is our first time feeling the cold in the winter. Finally, after a very long day, I have arrived in my hotel room, and I'm gonna show you my hotel room. So these are my two luggage. I haven't really opened it and packed everything. So here is my room tour. Well, I think tonight I'm gonna order MBLAQ chicken and barbecue and eat and drink it with my dad and my dad's friend. It's Nene chicken. It is a popular MBLAQ in Korea. And my day ends with soju. Good night. Thank you for watching and don't forget to watch my day 2 vlog. Goodbye.